Hi guys, welcome to part 2 of our Cyprus vlog. If you haven't watched the part 1, please go back and watch the part 1. We've put the link in the description so that you don't really miss out on anything. So on this trip, as you can see now, we're just getting on board our boat. We were going to spend the day doing some water activities. So come with us and let's enjoy the adventure.
This castle is called, I think it's called Otello. Otello Castle.
Motello.
Otello. No, Otello.
Oh,
Shakespeare.
Otello.
Uh-huh.
Yeah?
So we left the harbor around 11 o'clock in the morning from a small town called Guinea. The harbor is actually called Carenia Harbor, and we were sailing in the Mediterranean. Okay, like watch the baby, yeah? So here we had arrived at the first spot for swimming and snorkeling, taking pictures and stuff.
What?
So I had to jump in
It's
first just to check the waters, how cold it was and how deep it was. And obviously I had to communicate back to my wife. She decided not to jump in, and I had a good time, just exploring, snorkeling, and just really enjoying swimming in the open ocean. That's how my whole body test.
I was kissing you.
Original, you see? Original tat. Coca-Cola original.
It's that taste.
Isn't that Pepsi Max? This is proper. We've always wanted to go on a jet ski, so this was really a dream come true for us, and it was our first time to go on a jet ski together, and we really had a blast.
Taff was driving like a maniac on the jet ski, as you can see here. He was riding it so fast that at some point I actually just wanted to get off and go back on the boat. And we did try calling the guy that gave us the jet ski, but we had to ride out the minutes that we'd paid for. But it was just intense, and the waves are no joke. They look calm, but they are literally just battering. And then we swapped over for me to take the wheel, and as you can see here, I drove a little bit more sensible. I did speed up eventually, but not as much as Taff did. It really was a lot of fun. So after the boat ride, which probably lasted for most of the day, we went back to the harbor, and this is the same harbor that we had lunch on the previous day. If you saw the last vlog, there's a place where we sat just eating lunch by the harbor and enjoying seeing the boats and stuff like that. So this is the same harbor. It's really beautiful. There's a lot of boats and a lot of restaurants with really good food. So that's the place we boarded, and that's the place we were coming back to right here. So we're just taking the really beautiful view, and it was really nice. We enjoyed our boat ride. Then we decided to go and find some other stuff to do at a different place.
Okay. Do I leave my car here?
You should park it here. Parking lot is here.
Okay.
And then you can take the buggy to go parasailing.
Okay, that's fine.
Oh my. Huh?
Say hello. Je merkt waarom.
Oh, je merkt. We left our car in the car park and we're walking towards the beach. That's when we stopped at this little restaurant to get some water to make Joshua's porridge, as he was really hungry. The beach was probably 200 to 300 meters away from the car park, as there are restaurants that look towards the beach as well. And Taff and Luxon went to find this parasailing place so that we could, do some water sports, as Taff was really excited to get on the speedboat. So that's what we were doing right here.
So guys, this is a dream come true. We're gonna be going on this speedboat. The guy just told me it's 600 horsepower.
Then gearing up for the parasailing began. We got all strapped in before we even got on the boat. And this was a first time experience for the both of us, but I can tell you that we'd both do it again because it was such a wonderful experience and the best thing that we did in Cyprus. A little side note is that Josh and Luxon were actually gonna stay by the harbor instead of coming on, but we asked for them to come on board, and by this time Josh was really tired. So as you can see here, is a bit depleted, but he enjoyed it, I think. I think we enjoyed it more than he did.
Oh, big smiley face. The sunset that you want to come in.
For anyone who's never done parasailing before, I would definitely recommend it. You see how high we were. It was so beautiful and so serene up there that I really wish I'd taken my phone with me. But I think for me and Taff, we told ourselves we need to invest in a GoPro for things like this, because we were literally having a conversation up there. It's quieter than being in a plane. It's quieter than being in a helicopter. It's just so cool. But what goes up must come down. I think as a couple, we're all about living in the moment, having a good time with each other and making the best of what we have, and enjoying each moment that we have with each other, each moment we have with our son. So this was really one of those moments that we really savored. We didn't rush anything. We just enjoyed ourselves, and it was a really nice experience. After parasailing, we decided to just go back home and freshen up a bit before going out to find dinner, and then later on dropping off Luxon at his house where he was going. So we went home, but then we decided, you know what, the night was still young, so we wanted to go for a swim. So got all dressed up, dressed Joshua up, and went to the swimming pool as there were less people in the evening, and the water was quite warm because the whole day was really hot.
I've got you. That is you. So Dexter. Yeah. Let's go.
Let's go back.
Yeah. Let's go, man. Let's do that. Let's go. Yeah.
So this brings an end to our part 2 of the Cyprus vlog. I know this one's very short, but we have a special one coming up where we go to the ghost town. So please look out for that. That should be out next week. I know we promised probably 2 in a week, but it's proved to be impossible with our work schedules. But please like, subscribe, and comment. Tell us what we can improve on, what you'd like to see on our channel. And we really thank you for being a part of our journey and sharing, you know, your ideas with us and all that good stuff. So take care and see you on the next one. Bye.